YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We are in prime time now, guys. Santa Claus will be here shortly. So you might want to start looking around, see what's on your list. Maybe a gift to yourself, family member, stocking stuffers, or you get one of these. Not sure who this comes from. Oh, it's coming from Nandme, Intelligent Sensing, Precise Pressure Control, NX 8000, Portable Toothbrush, 12 brush heads. Here's the side goodies you get. Intelligent Sensing, 12 Dupont brush heads, brush head replacement reminder, inductive charging. Alright, so definitely check them out. They got prime sales going on. I can open this. Losing my touch. There we go. There we go. Open. Come on. Sometimes they don't open right away. There we go. There we go. Oh, everything falls out. Hey, we got a lot of goodies. Here we go. Get brush 1. Number 2. Three. They're all gonna be the same. Here we go. We got the blue kind. Another one. Same thing. And another one. Should be 12, I think. So 3, 9, and there, 10, 11, and then 12 spot. There we go. So we got all 12 there. So you should be good to go. Got the USB base right here to charge it on the go. Ready for your college dorms or for your travels. And now here is the unit. That's everything. There we go. Here it is. It is lightweight, so easy to travel with. Super quiet. That's pretty cool. Sensitive. Oop. There goes that lid. Got that off. We got clean, white, polish, and then gum care. So it has them all. And now we just open at least one of them for the video. I mean, it's easy to whatchamacallit, put it together. Should be good. There we go. Examine this one a little bit more. Clean up. There we go. This is good stuff right here. So it's lining up. Bada boom. You see it moving. That's gum care. Sensitive. And things moving. Use that light. There we go. Super fast, super quiet. There you go. And charging base, all you gotta do, have some fun, pop it in like so, plug it into USB. It doesn't need to be charged right now, so definitely check them out. Nandme, so that's a D. Alright, smart electric toothbrush. Check them out, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good weekend, and see you soon. Flexible dental floss pick. So they got a lot of dental stuff. If you need them, they got them. They are your plug for your dental needs. So definitely click that link, which is my affiliate link, and it is safe to click. Drop you guys right there. There we go. This is an easy video. So here we go. And floss picks. 88 pieces. Here's a little machine. How do they come out? That was going to be an easy video. Hold on. Oh, alright. This thing was in the way. You just got to remove it. And this is what one looks like. You got the hook shape. And got the thread. Good to go. All I got to do. Bam. Look at that. So there you go, YouTubers. Flexible dental floss pick. Nandme. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.